Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I want to teach on how to create slopes on roof slabs. So for those who use their designs, you create roof slabs and you want to show how the roof slab slopes, the direction of the slope. This video will help you on how to make that slope and how to show the direction with different levels. So let's go straight to it. So for these, I will go straight to my roof plan. Okay, so from the roof plan, I'll create a roof slab. So under architecture, go to floor. When you scroll down, best is to create, let's use this one as a roof wood finish. There are so many other ones you can create. You can use your normal monolithic floor slab, but let's use this one. Okay, so on this, let's create a slab from, okay, let's say here to here. Let's assume I have the slab here. Finish. Okay, so this is the roof slab. But on the roof plan, I want to create a slope because there's no how you have flat roof, totally flat. It has to slope to a direction. For those who design high-rise buildings and you have high-rise building, I want to show slab, or even if it's a bungalow that you want to use slab, how to show the direction of the slope. Okay, so for that, select the roof, the floor. I will say roof. Select the floor that you're using as the roof slab. Go to properties. Go to properties, edit type, edit structure. Under the structure, for this, create variables. Variable. Okay. Let's use. Okay, for to make this simple, let's just use a normal floor slab for our roof. Okay. All right. Sorry. Okay. Let's just make this simple for everyone. Go to edit. So at the structure, edit. When you see this variable, tick it. Tick this variable. I will explain later why we're ticking that variable. Okay. So after creating that, go to let's go to a section of it. Okay. Let's create a section through the wall, the building. Let's say I'll create this section. Let's say through here. Just create any section. Alright, so that we can be able to see the roof slab. Okay. Go to the roof plan. Select the roof. Okay, let's hide that so that we don't have issue. Select the roof. Now you go to modify, subdivide. We have these options on how to shape edit our floor. You can add points, you can add split line, or you can pick support. But for now, let's focus on adding points. Let's go to adding points. So when you go to add points, depending on how you want your roof to slope, let's say I want my roof to slope towards the back. Everything from the front here, from the left hand side to the right hand side, everything should slope to this point. So at this point, the thickness of my roof, my floor is 150 mm. So at this point, I can make it minus 25 mm at the center here. Okay. So as you can see, showing us that everything here is sloping down to that place. Okay. You can reset the shape. It go back to normal. You understand? So you can add points minus 25. Let's just say minus 25. Take this point. And let's say I want this place to be higher. You can plus or minus, whatever. When you plus, you go higher, minus, you go below. Probably I don't want that here. Okay, let's shift this section to this place. Okay, go back to the section. Now, as you can see, the roof slab is not totally flat, it's sloping down towards that side. You can go back to the roof slab and edit, modify, select that, still change it, let's say minus 50. Okay, escape, go to the section so that it's very obvious. As you can see, now the reason why we selected that variable, so that the bottom of the slab will not slope, it will remain flat. The only variable you have is at the top of the slab. You can see the difference of 50 mm from this point to this point, which is the 150 mm high slab. So that's how you create your roof slope. Whatever point you want to create, you can add more points, you can reset if you have made a mistake or you don't want your roof to slab, you can set it to whatever you want. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.